How are the rockets that launch spacecraft recovered? Spacecraft launches are usually completed with two stages of rockets. The longest section is the first stage rocket, and the middle section is the second stage rocket. The small dot at the top is the manned spacecraft. The existence of these two bulky rockets is solely to get the small spacecraft into space. After assembly, the spacecraft is transported to the launch pad and slowly erected over several hours until it stands upright. The astronauts then ride an elevator from the nearby black service structure to the top and walk from the platform arm to the spacecraft's entrance after passing through security. The spacecraft has 4 seats, with the commander and pilot sitting in the middle and experts sitting on either side in reclined seats. The 2 hours before launch are used to release tension. 45 minutes before launch, the platform arm retracts, and 35 minutes before launch, the propellant is pumped in. After launch, the first stage rocket, which has 9 engines, ignites first. After 2 minutes and 40 seconds, the first stage rocket burns out, and the second stage rocket, with only 1 engine, continues to propel the small spacecraft into space. Currently, only the first stage rocket can be recovered using available technology. After the first stage rocket completes its mission, it immediately separates from the spacecraft and undergoes cooling with cold air before repositioning. It then opens 4 grid fins and adjusts its descent posture before igniting the 3 reserved engines for deceleration. When it approaches the ground, it opens its 4 corners and lands slowly on an unmanned tugboat on the sea. The tugboat then drags the rocket back to the base for reuse in the future.